Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how you can cover a moving face with emoji in InShot. Alright guys, here I have created a project in InShot, and then I'm going to cover the face with emoji. And the first thing we have to do is clicking on the sticker option right here, and then click on sticker again, and then you can select the emoji that you want to use for covering the face. And just for an example, I'm going to select this one. Tap on the emoji and then click on this check mark button, and you can zoom in the emoji by clicking on this button like this. Okay, and just drag it until the face is fully covered. Okay, and now we're going to adjust the length. I'm going to make the emoji align with the video. Okay, and after that we can click on tracking, scroll all the way to the right until you find the tracking option. Click on tracking, then you can select this one, and then just click on the start tracking. And you have to wait until the process is completed. It may take a little longer. It depends on the duration of the video and the resolution as well. Okay guys, and the tracking is completed, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can cover a moving face with emoji in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.